So in our 3-point rotational row, we want to get ourselves set up a little bit elevated from the floor. A standard bench is good to start off with, but eventually you're going to want some more space so you can reach the hand down to the floor. I'm keeping shoulders and hips stacked, maintaining the same shape in my spine the whole way through this movement. This is the same as our beast pose, as our squat position, as our hip hinge. It's all the same base. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, stacked in a straight line, and we're trying to keep knees and hips level throughout. I've got my dumbbell down at the bottom here. So the aim of the game is to rotate the shoulders and the back down to the floor, feeling a nice stretch through the mid-back. We then unrotate and add our row. We can sync these two movements up. Once you get comfortable, but the aim of the game is not to be moving from side to side.